How to fix Warzone mobile servers is not available due to multiple logins of your Activision account. How can you simply solve this issue if you're facing issue with your login and it's showing you that your account is not available due to multiple logins on your account? How can you solve this multiple login error? Firstly, we just need to understand that why this type of error occurs on your phone while playing Call of Duty Warzone mobile. So these type of error usually happens because of your phone's network connectivity and simply the login algorithm of your mobile phone. If you recently log in into your account again and again, then please wait for at least 15 minutes. If you're doing mess with your account, just wait for 15 to 20 minutes or half hour and then try login with the correct password, correct login account and all the details correctly in order to get your account back. After that, you will see that your account is not facing any type of error like this. If you still face this error, what you need to do is simply clear all the cache and the data for your Warzone mobile application on your phone. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe our channel for watching more technical videos, updates and reviews like this.